we're now going to talk about work problems. And so work problems are categorized as things working together or things working against each other. And so if things are working together, they tend to go faster. The job gets done much faster when you have someone helping you. When you're working against, things tend to take longer. And the basic idea is that we're going to assume a uniform rate. That when we start working, we're going to work at the same rate until we're done. And if we do that, then we're able to solve these types of problems. Because what we want to know is a per time unit, how much of the job is done per time unit. And if we have the time units, then we can add them together and figure out how much they're doing together. So let's just start with an example. Here's a classic work together problem. Juan and Maria have a pool in their backyard. If they use their hose alone to fill the pool, then it takes 30 hours to fill. The neighbor has the same size pool and was able to fill it in 24 hours. So suppose the neighbors agree to let them use his hose. How long would it take? So we have Juan and Marie, and it takes them a total of 30 hours to fill. The neighbor, same size pool, so it's the same job, takes 24, and we want to know how long does it take working together. So we're going to do T. So we're going to find our per time unit, our per hour rate, and so if it takes 30 hours to do it, if it works uniformly, that means it's 1/30th of the job. The neighbor is 1/24th, and together they're 1T. So working together, we're going to add these two and set them equal here. So we end up with 1/30 plus 1/24 equals 1/T. And our LCD, 30 is 5 and 6, 24 is 6 and 4, and T is just T. So our LCD is going to be 5 times 4 times 6, or 20 times 6, or 120 T. Multiply both sides by 120 T, and we get 120 divided by 30 is 4T plus 120 divided by 24 is 5T equals 120. 9T equals 120, so T equals 120 over 9. And we can take a 3 out of that, and it's 40 over 3. So it takes 40 1/3, or 13.333 hours, making it very worthwhile for Juan and Marie to borrow their neighbor's hose. They can get it done in less than half the time. So notice this isn't a simple matter of averaging the times and getting 27. If we guess 27, we're going to miss it, and it's not going to work.